Hi everyone. Today, there's one thing I want to talk to you about. We're very excited. We've just released a new website that I think everyone should find. That it's a lot easier to navigate around, and it's a lot more information. And I think it can answer a lot of questions that you might have. Uh, I'm on the site right now on my cell phone, and the first thing I see there is a free case evaluation. We get a lot of those emails. We can't tell you what your case is worth, but we can tell you basically if you have a case. We can let you know whether it's a significant case or if it is something that would be on the smaller size. But of course, we take everything large to small. We've been doing this for 49 years. Actually, I'm only 49 years old, so I've only been here 20 years, but the office has been here a long time. So I promise you, we've seen every kind of case and every kind of client. But to go through this, to give you a little idea, we've got a section here that has some representative cases for the types of cases we've had, and it's called the results section, proven results. Just gives you some settlements and verdicts that we've had over the years and the type of case and the location where it is. You'll also notice there's a little bit about each attorney and a variety of cases, types of cases that we handle. And what you do is you go to click on the section about the types of cases. You got car accidents, truck accidents, motorcycle accidents, maritime injuries, that's offshore on boats, workers' compensation, wrongful death, bicycle accidents, pedestrian accidents, basically every kind of accident where someone has been injured and it's not their fault. If it's someone else's fault, or in some jurisdictions, it's mostly someone else's fault, those are the kind of cases that we handle. As far as there's something about the way we get paid. I'm sure everybody has seen at one point or another an attorney commercial that says, "No fee unless you win." Well, what that is, that's a contingency fee. It means that us getting paid, us getting our expenses back, is contingent upon us getting you money. So even if there is a case that there is no recovery, if we spend, no matter how much money we spend, we never come after you to ask about that, to ask for that money back. We also have, and this is something we've recently added, it's called a blog. And I know everybody knows what a blog is, but what we do twice a month, every 2 weeks, we put out some information on a topic. Most recently, I think last week it was on maritime injury. So if you want to hear, if you have a question about maritime injuries, what law applies, what qualifies you to make a claim under a maritime claim, you can read that blog. It's very informative. But just check back every couple of weeks or sign up for a list where you can have it delivered to you. But it's a wide variety of topics. We don't really plan it out ahead of time. It's just whatever's on our mind at that time, or whatever. If we get a question from someone on that topic, we'll just go ahead and put it on the blog. But you can, from our mobile site, you can click and it'll dial it. You can call our office from your phone without having to write the number down. That's a click to call. That's nothing new, but it's on here. I think the mobile site is much more mobile friendly. You don't have to pinch or I think that's whatever this is that you do to make your phone zoom in. You don't have that. We have a live chat service. If we are available, they can transfer us live. If we're not available, the people that you're chatting with will take down your information and will forward it to us immediately. These people in the chat, if it's not one of us on the chat, the attorneys, they can't give you legal advice, but what they can do is make sure that we get your questions and a printed description of the chat, transcript, and they send it to us, and we can contact you back immediately. We can contact you back the next day. Whenever you want, you just let us know. Let me see some other things on here. There is like every website, we also have a map on here. It shows where we are, how to get to our offices. You just click that, press navigate, it'll take you right to us. But it's just it's not comprehensive by any stretch of the imagination. if you go to the site and you read some things on there that don't answer your specific question, well, just give us a call, because everything that's on here is something that we have been, is subject matter that we've been doing for years and years. And I think we've developed an amount of expertise on everything you see here where I'm sure there will be questions that I don't know the answer to. If that occurs, I can assure you I will find the answer to that question. If it's something that we can't help you with, then we'll, of course, do our best to get you to somebody who can.